Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the composition, and it is going to be the composition of reduced osmolarity, and this is the ORS. So what we have here, the oral rehydration solution. So the composition of this, it includes the reduced osmolarity ORS has sodium, the sodium level being 75, and whatever we are going to discuss, it will be in millimole per liter. The sodium was 75, then comes chloride is 65, next will be glucose, that is anhydrous. This will be again 75. So sodium and glucose will be 75. What else are we having as composition? There is potassium as well. So potassium will be 20, and then comes citrate. Citrate will be 10. So on adding all of them, there is 245, the unit being millimole per liter.